Welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of a new work week. We're expecting a windy day over South Africa's interior, but particularly over the Northern Cape, and we're forecasting strong northeasterly winds along the east coast. Mostly sunny and dry weather is forecast over the northeastern part of South Africa, with a partly cloudy and warm day along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. We're forecasting hot weather over the southern parts, with offshore berg winds warming things up into the low and middle 30s. Isolated thundershowers start to move in over South Africa's central interior, extending all the way through to the eastern Cape Coast, and we're expecting thundershowers over the eastern interior, with the possibility of evening showers over the southwestern parts. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with a band of isolated thundershowers extending across South Africa all the way through to the eastern Cape Coast. Isolated thundershowers also forecast over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, and we're expecting a 40% chance of evening showers over the southwestern parts. It'll be a cooler day over the western part of South Africa, 21 degrees for Vredendal, 18 and 17 degrees for Cape Town and Springbok. In contrast, we're expecting sizzling hot weather over the southern parts, George and Bishu both at 33 degrees. 30 is we're heading to Port Elizabeth, 27 for East London and Kimberley. We're heading to the middle and upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State, 28 for Bombela and Polokwane, with Johannesburg expecting a high of 27 degrees on Monday afternoon. A fresh northwesterly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, with a fresh northerly wind for Langebaan. Along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. A moderate northerly breeze is forecast for Cape Town, with a strong westerly wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas, and moderate wind speeds for Hermanus, with a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. An offshore component to the wind is expected over the southern part of South Africa, with a 20 km/h northeasterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, more of a southwester as we head towards Mossel Bay, and along the south coast we're expecting a 2-metre easterly swell with a wave period of only 9 seconds. Along the east coast, moderate beach conditions are expected for Durban and Richards Bay, with a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind gusting to strong wind speeds in the afternoon, and you'll see a strong northeasterly wind for the Wild Coast and East London. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 2-metre northeasterly swell with a wave period of 7 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Monday.